Hi everyone, welcome to tutorial number 5 of the Autodesk Inventor series. So in the past tutorials we covered the modify, pattern, constrain, and draw sections of the sketch tab. Now we're going to put that all together and sort of draw something that might be remotely resembling something that you might have to do in the future. So this plate I found on the internet. I just googled 2D AutoCAD drawing for practice or whatever. So we'll try and draw that out. So basically the whole drawing revolves around these two circles. Like I said, draw first and then you can constrain them. So let's constrain these two circles to be 3 inches apart. Oops, I hit 30 by accident, or 23, so 3 inches apart. And in this direction we want to constrain them 0 apart. So what's their dimension? Well, diameter of 2 for that one, and diameter of 1. Okay, now we need to connect them. So I'm drawing lines, L, or click the line, click, and then escape. So now let's make them tangent. So we use our tangent constraint. Whoops, that's parallel. So tangent constraint, escape, spacebar to do it again for this line. And this, we're going to want to extend it to hit the circle. So hit extend, and the rest of them we're going to want to trim off. No problems. Okay, now we want the inner circles. So we can either draw it like that or constrain it directly when we draw it by hitting the center point. So now this is constrained basically concentric with this one. Or we could use the concentric constraint button to do that. Now we need to dimension their diameters. So we got 0.5 and what's this guy? 1. Okay, now let's work on this piece here. Okay, so this is going to be based off my intuition using this software, but you'll pick these tricks up, sort of basically making construction lines first. This one's going to be diameter of 2, diameter of 2.25, a diameter of 2.5. I'll trim it so you get a better idea of what's going on here. Okay, now we want to make sure that this angle is 56 degrees. So the way we can do that, we can draw these guys, break out the calculator. Here we go. So let's see what this angle is between these. So we'll just hit dimension just for reference. We're not actually going to place dimension. 106.28. Okay, 106.28. So 106.28 minus 56 divided by 2. So 25.14 on each side. So dimension this to this. This is an unconstrained line, by the way, so it's free to move by this dimension. Now what did I say? It had to be 26.14 or something like that? 26.14. Probably should have wrote that down. Hopefully it's right. Whoops. Don't want that dimension, so let's delete it. We want this dimension. 26.14. Now let's trim all the junk after we put our circles in there. Okay, trim. Trim is very useful. You will be using this all the time. Now let's delete everything we don't need. Whoops, better keep those there. Okay, so now our drawing is taking shape. Now let's make this part. So we need a couple parallel lines here. And then we need to join them up. Now we need to constrain this parallel with that, and this parallel with that. Oh, it's already parallel. When I was drawing it, it sort of picked up that was on the same angle. Now let's constrain the dimensions. So from here to here is a 1/2 inch, and from here to here is a 1.5 inch. This doesn't look right. Oh, this is supposed to be 3.5, not 3. No problem, I'll change that. 3.5. There we go. Now things are coming together. So everything builds off each other. It's all parametric. So no problems if you want to change one dimension somewhere. So it should be 1.9. Oh, sorry. 0.25. Misread that. 0.25. This should also be 0.25. Okay, we need fillets. You know that tool, fillet tool. What's the radius? The radius of the fillet is 1.9 specified there, so let's hit up some fillets. Escape, and there you have it. We got our sketch. 2D sketch. It doesn't look elegant. The dimensions are all over the place, but that's a sketch. This is not the same thing as AutoCAD. This isn't our final product. This will be turned into a part in the future. So comment, like, subscribe, and the next tutorial we will start modeling in 3D. See you then.